Rick Ross speaks about his 5th annual car show upcoming in 2026.
Where your car, we need to know. 2026, Rick Ross car show number 5. Shit gonna be crazier than ever. Get ready. We gonna give y'all the dates, the information. rickrosscarshow.com. Log on. Slippery Soap, official sponsor. Where your car at, nigga? We need to know. Where your car at, nigga? Rose need to see it. The world need to see it. That's right. The world's biggest car show on this side of the planet. Rick Ross car show number 5. Bam.
Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.
I gotta let them see it for everybody that keep asking. I'm just letting you know, your income tax is coming. Go get that smile right. Yeah, that's how you do it. Yeah, you let them see it from the side, because a lot of y'all be missing a teeth on the side. Go ahead, put a diamond right there where that tooth was missing at, because they be looking. Yeah, they be like, hey, boy, they left that side door wide open, you heard? Go see Montoya. Not only speaking to artists, not only speaking to content creators, not only speaking to models, but athletes as well. Everybody who represent themselves. I'm just keeping it real with you. It's been a busy week. I see a lot of things, and it's just on my mind. Not only because Mario Montoya, #1, you deserve #1. It's only one, the $1 billion smile, but I'm seeing so much going on. It's still the beginning of the year. Your income tax coming, you heard me? Put them new tires on your car, you heard me? And go get that bling bling. Lorenzo's on Yokohama tires. It's a very serious conversation. This is a very serious conversation. Fellas, you can't be afraid when you're ready to recommend your girlfriend or the woman you love or the woman you dating when it's time for her to get her smile fixed. Fellas, it's an amazing gift. It's an amazing gesture. Ladies, don't take it nowhere. If your man say, yo, I want to take you to see Dr. Mario Montoya, don't take it no way. Ladies, if you just so happen to still be missing that tooth right there, we call that the side door. You left the side door open. Let Mario Montoya fix that. Ladies, let your man go get that smile right. Ladies, chill on those heels. Ladies, chill on that bag. Close that side door. Ladies, let's do the right thing. Stop, when you giggling, thinking, I don't notice that. That's just like when you taking pictures on IG and don't never show that lower body. Why is it so stupid? So that's the vibe I'm on right now. Fellas, make sure you recommend to your ladies. Go get they smile right. All the fellas. And it's not just veneers, it's all kind of dentistry. You hit Dr. Mario Montoya when it comes to all type of dentistry. Anything you need to do involving your oral, your teeth, your smile, etc., etc. You hit up nothing but the best. And I'm letting you know who the best is. It's Ricky Rose, co-sign. I'm signing off. Mario Montoya. I've been seeing a few things going on. Listen, let's invest in our smiles, man. And fellas, if your teeth been crooked your whole life, it's never too late to get right. If them motherfuckers been slanted, you know what I'm talking about? Hey, man, go ahead and You feel me? Yeah. Y'all ain't got to smile like that neither. January 28, Ricky Rose celebrating his B-Day. So salute and much love to all Aquarius around the globe, you dig? It's going to be a beautiful year, I can feel it. Not just for myself, but for you as well. And most definitely, if you embrace that and believe that, you feel me? It's going to be a beautiful year. Like I say, the 28th is my day. God is great, you know what I'm saying? I'm appreciative. I can't ask for nothing else. Salute to all my family, the homies, my business partners. Throw it up. If there's anything you would do, make sure you, let's make a toast. Luke Belair, the blue bottle. For the big boys, the bosses, you heard me? Make sure you post it on your platform.
Thanks for tuning in to 9 Mag TV.